Greetings, space explorers. Hey there, fellow space enthusiasts. Today, we're going on an exciting journey to the outer reaches of our solar system to visit two gas giants, Saturn and Neptune. These planets are absolute behemoths, each boasting unique features that make them stand out in our cosmic neighborhood. So, buckle up as we explore what makes Saturn and Neptune so special. Sizing up the giants. First things first, let's talk size. When we look up at the night sky, these distant giants might seem like mere specks of light, but in reality, they are colossal worlds, each with its own unique characteristics and mysteries. Saturn, the sixth planet from the Sun, is a massive ball of mostly hydrogen and helium. It's famous for its stunning ring system, which is made up of ice and rock particles that reflect sunlight beautifully. To give you an idea of its size, Saturn is so big that you could fit 760 Earths inside it. Imagine stacking Earths like marbles inside a giant sphere. That's how vast Saturn is. Neptune, the eighth planet from the Sun, is a bit smaller than Saturn. But don't let that fool you. It's still a giant in its own right. With a diameter almost 4 times larger than Earth's, Neptune is a massive world. Its deep blue color is due to the presence of methane in its atmosphere, which absorbs red light and reflects blue. Even though they're both gas giants, Saturn and Neptune have different structures. These differences are what make each planet unique and fascinating to study. Saturn has a thick atmosphere that gets denser as you go deeper. The upper layers are mostly hydrogen and helium, but as you descend, the pressure increases dramatically. Eventually, the hydrogen gas gets so compressed that it acts like a liquid metal. This metallic hydrogen is believed to create Saturn's powerful magnetic field. Neptune's structure is similar, but it has a higher concentration of ices like water, ammonia, and methane. These ices are mixed with hydrogen and helium, giving Neptune its unique composition. Neptune is also known for its dynamic and stormy atmosphere. The Great Dark Spot, a massive storm system, is one of the most notable features, similar to Jupiter's Great Red Spot. Saturn's rings, on the other hand, are one of the most iconic features in our solar system. These rings are made up of countless small particles, ranging from tiny grains to large boulders, all orbiting the planet in a delicate balance. So, while Saturn and Neptune may seem similar at first glance, their unique characteristics and structures make them fascinating subjects of study. These giants of our solar system continue to intrigue and inspire us as we learn more about their mysteries. Ringworld versus ice giant. Now let's talk about what makes these planets truly spectacular, their appearances. Saturn and Neptune, though both gas giants, offer very different visual treats to the observer. Saturn is famous for its dazzling rings, which are made up of countless particles of ice and rock, ranging in size from tiny grains to giant boulders. These rings are not just a single solid structure, but are divided into several distinct sections, each with its own unique characteristics. These rings are so vast and bright that you can even see them with a small telescope from Earth. Imagine pointing your telescope to the night sky and witnessing this magnificent ring system with your own eyes. It's a sight that has fascinated astronomers and stargazers for centuries. Neptune, on the other hand, is known for its striking blue color, which comes from methane in its atmosphere. This deep blue hue gives Neptune a serene and mysterious appearance, quite different from the golden and brown tones of Saturn. This gas absorbs red light from the sun, reflecting the beautiful blue hues we see. The methane in Neptune's atmosphere plays a crucial role in shaping its overall look, making it one of the most visually stunning planets in our solar system. Neptune also has faint rings, but they're much less prominent than Saturn's. These rings are composed of dark, dusty material, making them harder to observe. However, they add to the planet's mystique and complexity. Instead of rings, Neptune wows us with its wild weather patterns, including massive storms that rage for years. These storms are so powerful that they can be seen from Earth with the right equipment. Neptune's atmosphere is dynamic and ever-changing, with winds reaching speeds of up to 1,200 miles per hour, making it the windiest planet in our solar system. One of the most famous storms on Neptune is the Great Dark Spot, a massive storm system similar to Jupiter's Great Red Spot. This storm was first observed in 1989 by the Voyager 2 spacecraft and has since captivated scientists with its sheer size and intensity. So, while Saturn dazzles us with its iconic rings, Neptune mesmerizes with its deep blue color and turbulent atmosphere. Both planets offer a glimpse into the diverse and fascinating nature of our solar system, each with its own set of wonders waiting to be explored. Moons, the solar system's supporting cast. These celestial bodies, often overlooked, play crucial roles in the dynamics of our solar system. Both Saturn and Neptune have a whole entourage of moons orbiting them, adding to their allure. These moons vary in size, composition, and even in the way they interact with their parent planets. Saturn has a whopping 82 confirmed moons. These moons range from tiny moonlets just a few kilometers across to the massive Titan, which is even larger than the planet Mercury. That's more than any other planet in our solar system. This vast collection of moons makes Saturn a fascinating subject for astronomers and space enthusiasts alike. Each moon has a unique story to tell, with different compositions, surfaces, and even potential for hosting life. For instance, Titan has lakes of liquid methane and ethane, while Enceladus has geysers that spew water ice into space. Neptune has a respectable 14 moons, but one stands out from the crowd: Triton. Triton is not only the largest of Neptune's moons, but also one of the most intriguing objects in the solar system. It's the largest of Neptune's moons and is unlike any other large moon in our solar system. Triton's surface is covered with nitrogen ice, and it has geysers that erupt with nitrogen gas. It actually orbits Neptune in the opposite direction of Neptune's rotation. This retrograde orbit suggests that Triton was captured by Neptune's gravity rather than forming alongside the planet. Scientists think Triton might be a captured object from the Kuiper Belt, a region beyond Neptune filled with icy bodies. This theory is supported by Triton's unusual orbit and its similarities to other Kuiper Belt objects. The moons of our solar system are as diverse as the planets they orbit. From the volcanic activity on Jupiter's moon Io to the icy crust of Europa, each moon offers a glimpse into the complex and dynamic nature of our solar system. These moons also have significant impacts on their parent planets. Their gravitational interactions can cause tidal forces, volcanic activity, and even influence the planet's magnetic field. Future space missions aim to explore these fascinating moons further. Missions like NASA's Europa Clipper and Dragonfly to Titan will help us understand the potential for life and the history of our solar system. The moons of our solar system truly are its supporting cast, each playing a unique role in the grand cosmic story. As we continue to explore and learn more about these celestial bodies, we gain a deeper appreciation for the complexity and beauty of our solar system. Among Saturn's impressive collection of moons, Titan reigns supreme as the largest and most intriguing. This moon is truly a world of its own, with a dense atmosphere, methane lakes, and even a weather cycle similar to Earth's, though it rains methane instead of water. Titan's atmosphere is so thick that it obscures our view of its surface. We've only recently begun to explore it in detail, thanks to the Cassini spacecraft and its Huygens probe, which landed on Titan in 2005. The data sent back revealed a world that's both familiar and alien, with landscapes shaped by erosion, rivers, and even possible volcanoes. Neptune's largest moon, Triton, is a true rebel. Unlike most large moons in our solar system, which orbit in the same direction as their planets rotate, Triton orbits Neptune in the opposite direction. This retrograde orbit suggests that Triton might not have formed around Neptune at all, but was captured by its gravity later on. Triton is a frigid world, with a surface temperature of minus 391 degrees Fahrenheit or minus 235 degrees Celsius, making it one of the coldest places in our solar system. Despite the extreme cold, Triton is geologically active, with nitrogen ice volcanoes spewing plumes of nitrogen gas and dust high into its thin atmosphere. Both Saturn and Neptune offer extreme conditions that challenge our understanding of planetary science. Saturn's powerful winds whip around its atmosphere at speeds of up to 1100 miles per hour, while its magnetic field is a whopping 578 times stronger than Earth's. Neptune isn't afraid to bring the extreme either. Its winds are even faster than Saturn's, reaching speeds of up to 1300 miles per hour, making them the fastest planetary winds in our solar system. Additionally, Neptune's deep blue atmosphere is home to massive storms, including the Great Dark Spot, a swirling vortex that was once larger than Earth itself. So, in the cosmic showdown between Saturn and Neptune, which planet emerges as the ultimate champion? Well, it all depends on what you're looking for. Saturn captivates us with its iconic rings, diverse moons, and active atmosphere. Neptune, on the other hand, entices us with its deep blue beauty, record-breaking winds, and enigmatic moons like Triton. Ultimately, both Saturn and Neptune are incredible planets that continue to fascinate and inspire us. They remind us of the vastness and diversity of our solar system and the endless possibilities that await us in the cosmos. We've only scratched the surface of what there is to learn about Saturn and Neptune. Thankfully, scientists are hard at work, using telescopes and spacecraft to study these planets in greater detail. We've sent probes to orbit Saturn and fly by Neptune, capturing stunning images and gathering valuable data about their atmospheres, rings, and moons. Future missions are being planned to further explore these gas giants and their enigmatic moons. Who knows what incredible discoveries await us in the years to come? Perhaps we'll find evidence of life on one of Saturn's or Neptune's moons, or uncover even more secrets hidden within their swirling atmospheres. So the next time you look up at the night sky, take a moment to appreciate the wonders of our solar system. Saturn and Neptune may seem like distant worlds, but they hold valuable clues to the formation and evolution of planetary systems, including our own. Keep exploring, keep asking questions, and never lose your sense of wonder.